Have you ever tried to run a regression analysis only to find yourself stuck in a loop of frustration? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into rolling regression with pandas and exploring alternatives to looping. I totally get it. Losing access to the moving OLS class in pandas can feel like losing a trusted tool in your toolbox. You're not alone in this struggle. Many users have faced similar challenges after the update. Let's break down the specific questions we're tackling today. One user asked how to mimic the basic framework of moving OLS, wanting to view multiple regression statistics without rerunning the model. Another question is about the inner workings of Pandas' rolling.apply function and why it can't handle more complex functions. Sound familiar? Let's explore these together. So what's the deal with rolling regression? The challenge lies in efficiently calculating multiple statistics without the need for repetitive computations. Understanding how Pandas handles rolling windows can help us find a solution. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to implement rolling regression without the hassle of looping, plus a bonus tip to streamline your workflow. To mimic the basic framework of Pandas' moving OLS, the user can create a custom class that stores the results of the regression analysis. This class will allow access to various statistics without needing to rerun the regression each time. Next, the user should implement a method within this class to perform the rolling regression. This method will take the dependent and independent variables as inputs and compute the regression for each window. After implementing the rolling regression, the user can add additional methods to retrieve specific statistics. For example, methods to return the t-statistics or root mean square error can be included. Finally, the user can test their custom class with sample data to ensure it works as expected. They should create an instance of the class, run the rolling regression, and print the desired statistics. Fun fact: did you know that the concept of regression analysis dates back to the 19th century? It's amazing how far we've come in data analysis, yet some challenges remain the same. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to use a custom rolling apply function. This method allows you to calculate the slope of a linear regression over a specified window size. The user provides a code snippet that demonstrates how to implement this using NumPy's polyfit function. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your data clean and well-structured before running any regression analysis. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You've learned how to implement rolling regression without the hassle of looping. Remember, understanding your tools is key to effective data analysis. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video.